Hey, it's Fergal here, and I'm going to show you how Manny found a completely new way of generating targeted automated traffic without paying for the traffic out of his own pocket. And how it worked incredibly well, turning zero upfront risk into a passive income machine, bringing him in $1,425.90 to $5,000 plus every single month in pure profit. And the best part is, he's been making money with this traffic strategy ever since. And he did it without any SEO, without upfront ad costs, without relying on affiliates, and without giving up 50% of his profits in the process. And instead of wasting your time with a bunch of fluff and hype, we're going to share real results from Manny and his students, because that is what we believe in. So by now you're probably asking yourself how we are able to make consistent money from automated traffic, and how you too can get similar results by getting floods of targeted traffic and seeing those chunky PayPal commissions directly deposited into your account. What is Manny doing differently than the thousands of internet marketers who are out there watching their online businesses crash and burn due to a lack of targeted traffic? Well, there's two things. One, we do not pay for traffic from our own pocket. Yep, that's right, we focus on reliable, targeted social media traffic, and we use it in such a special way that allows us to consistently make huge commissions every single month without constant manual work or upfront risk. We do the work once, the initial setup takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and then the traffic comes in on complete autopilot after that. The other thing that we do is we scale. The beauty of this strategy is that there's no limit as to how many passive traffic machines that you can set up. Manny has consistently been able to scale this strategy for multiple businesses in different niches. Yep, this method is proven to work in virtually any niche. After creating your first traffic machine, which is really easy if you follow our steps and costs you no money, simply then take another 30 minutes to set up a new traffic machine and start doubling your traffic and profits in a different niche. And that's exactly what Manny's done to make even more money. These traffic machines are completely legal and ethical, and so dummy-proof that anyone can do it. And we'll show you inside Profit Dojo how to build these passive money machines. Profit Dojo will not only reveal how we leverage the power of passive traffic to drive profits each month, we'll also show you how to automate this entire process so that you can have all the work done for you. You'll know which niche to enter. You'll start receiving chunky PayPal commissions. You'll know where to find the automated traffic. You'll even know how to scale this method to get as many machines running for you at the same time as you can, all bringing you in thousands per month in passive income. Imagine having a machine that brings you in $750 per month in income for you. Now imagine scaling and having a few more of these passive income machines running for you all at the same time. That's $2,250 per month in pure profit in your pocket. These kinds of results are absolutely possible for you using the strategies inside Profit Dojo. We're consistently generating thousands of dollars every single month with this method. Now you can do the same. And if you think this strategy only works for us, then think again. To make sure this wasn't a fluke, Manny has been secretly teaching a few of his students so far, and the results have been amazing. Joe made $4,100 using my exact traffic trading. This guy made $1,046 in profit. And even Paul is making good money with 2 sales at $997 each. Yep, it's really that simple. Manny's students are crushing it, and now it's your turn. With all of the other traffic methods out there failing for you, you simply can't afford to fall behind. You need to know what's working right now. So if you are at all curious about the new way of making thousands per month from automated traffic, then it only makes sense that you try out Profit Dojo, risk-free, at a low introductory price, only available right now. In the time you spent thinking about it, you could have already gone through some of the training inside Profit Dojo and start building your first income machine. Wouldn't it be nice to finally start seeing huge commissions inside your PayPal account? Wouldn't it be nice to start getting the results you've always wanted? Of course it would. So scroll down below this video and make the wise choice of trying out Profit Dojo. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We look forward to seeing your results.